Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to your iQIYI app account. The process is really easy. I'll show you how. Let's get started. But before that, be sure you've installed the app on your device and you have already created an account. If you haven't done that already, then you can go through our other tutorials. We've also uploaded tutorials on how to install the iQIYI app and how to create an account on the app. Now let's get to the point. First of all, open the app on your device. You'll see this page on your screen. Now on this page at the bottom part you can see a menu, and on that menu you can see the fourth option, Me. Go ahead and tap on that option. Now on this page you can see the login option at the top. You'll simply have to tap on that option and you'll be able to log in. So here's the login page. The app is asking for my password. My email has already been saved, so I'll just have to enter my password. So enter your password on this box. And after you're done, simply tap on the login option. Wait for it to load. And as you can see, we've been successfully logged into our account. So this is it for the tutorial. I hope it was helpful, and don't forget to like the video and stay tuned for further tutorials. Thank you.